Hey guys, after documenting my hair loss and posting videos of my hair transplants on the internet, I now get emails every single day from companies around the world debuting new hair loss products and asking me to review those products, asking how much I would charge to use it and post pictures. And honestly, it's a little bit overwhelming, and I very rarely accept any of those things. The only time I make a video about a hair loss product is something that I use myself and that I would be willing to recommend to friends of mine. So there are only a couple products that I endorse. This is a sponsored video for Keeps. Keeps provides two medications and the only two FDA-approved medications for hair loss. I use these medications daily, so I know that they work. I've seen countless before and after pictures, and it's pretty much an undisputed fact that these things work for hair loss. One of the cool things about Keeps and their website is they've kind of changed the way that medication is delivered. You know, traditionally you would go to the doctor and you would have a consultation and then he would prescribe you medication. But with Keeps, everything is done right off of their website. It only takes about 10 minutes. I did it myself. You scroll through, you take some pictures right with your webcam, so it's all done right there. A doctor reviews your current situation and your current pictures, and medication is provided to you, and it shows up in your mailbox every single month. So it's super, super convenient. It really could not be more convenient. And it's recommended, whether you've had a hair transplant or not, to use preventative treatments. I've had 3 hair transplants, and now I am doing what I can to keep the hair that I have. So it's really important, even after having multiple hair transplants, to keep the hair that you have strong, to keep that transplanted hair as strong as possible and not let DHT attack it, and also to keep the hair that wasn't transplanted strong and to keep it from receding, further down in all these different areas and leaving you with some awkward bald patches if you're a former hair transplant patient. Keeps prices are very reasonable. They have great pricing. It's convenient, and you can get a special offer by going to keeps.com/my name, David DiMuzio. So the video link will be in the description, or I'll put it right here as well. So if you go to keeps.com/David DiMuzio, that is a special discount link for my followers. That is not an affiliate link. It is just a discount link for you. Keeps.com/David DiMuzio. And if you're worried about your hair, a lot of guys, even when they're just starting to notice a little recession, that's really the best time ever to get on preventative treatments, because that could save you from having to do surgery like me. I know it doesn't feel like it when you're losing your hair, but this is currently the best time in history to be a guy with hair loss, because we have really great medications. Technology is getting better and better every year. They're always coming out with new things, and Keeps is at the forefront of delivering that technology to your door.